Hey, this is Jack Shaughnessy. This is a video for Quiz 2 of Computer Science 120 for Seattle Central. I guess I'll get right down to it. So the first question of this quiz was to create a square that had multiple colored sides on it and then put it on a 45-degree angle. So, oh, by the way, this is using a turtle module in Python, just in case there are any inquiring minds. So first thing is import the turtle, you create a background, pen size, the speed of the turtle, all that good stuff. Then you, in this case, defined a function. This one is multicolored square acronym. And then you have a list of commands that get this to do what you want it to do. So, oh, and then additionally, you had to set the position for the turtle on this particular thing so that then you could rotate the turtle to put it on a 45-degree axis. So I have all my code there, and go ahead and run this first part. And boom. So there is the multicolored square on a 45-degree angle. All right. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and comment out just that command that brought that up. And then the second portion of this quiz was to then create a helper function or create another function that uses the original function as a helper to then build off of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and uncomment out this good stuff right here. Doink. Now, so there were a couple different options that they had as far as ways to design the thing. There was one for having all the squares interlock, and there was one where they were all spaced out across from each other. So this one, oh yeah, so by the way, I went ahead and defined a new function here with a lot of the previous code, and then you had to rotate this a little bit in order for it to line up correctly. I found that when you rotate the whole thing 45, then the line also goes at 45. So I had to bring this back, rotating it back to the right and then down a space in order for it to line up in a parallel line instead of at a 45-degree angle. So let's see if I did this correctly. And boom. All right. So far, so good. I am going to go ahead and comment out this bad boy right here and then uncomment the other one just to give you an idea of the straight line version of it. All the difference there is that with this command, you just have, this is making the actual square smaller so that it appears to have more space in between it, but really it's the same. And doink. See, now we have that guy right there. And I'm going to go ahead and comment that back out. Then, for the extra credit portion, we had to take that same line of squares and then create yet another line of squares, a square of squares with that. So I went ahead and created a function within a function so that I could give that a crack. Let me see here. Go ahead and uncomment this. Doink. and we'll see if this came out correctly. I've actually been having more trouble, commenting and uncommenting this stuff so that I can actually make a performance of it. But it looks like I managed to get it all dialed in. So there is the square of squares as well. Cool. It appears that that is everything that is required. So I hope you approve of these codes. Thank you.